My friends, allow me to share a deeply personal perspective on why your purpose is a transformational force in your life. Not too long ago, I found myself in a relentless pursuit of success, chasing one milestone after another. On the surface, it seemed like I was achieving, but deep down something was amiss. I felt like a ship adrift in a vast, empty ocean, lacking direction and meaning. And some of you may just be having a similar experience. During this tumultuous period, I stumbled upon the notion of purpose. It wasn't an instant revelation, rather, it was a gradual awakening. I began to ask myself, why am I doing what I'm doing? What is the driving force behind my actions? As I delved into this introspective journey, I unearthed my purpose. And it was like finding the missing piece of a jigsaw puzzle. My purpose became my guiding star, illuminating my path, and suddenly everything made sense. Knowing my purpose infused my life with newfound passion and vigor. It transformed my work from a mundane chore into a heartfelt mission. I felt an unshakable determination to make a meaningful impact on the lives of others, and that became my source of strength in the face of adversity. But the most profound change was a sense of fulfillment that washed over me. Every day felt purposeful, and every action is infused with intention. I realized that life wasn't just about personal achievements, but about leaving a lasting imprint on the world. Today, as I speak to you, I urge you to embark on your journey of self discovery and personal growth. Seek your purpose with relentless curiosity and courage. It's not always an easy path, but I promise you, it's worth every moment of introspection. Because when you find your purpose, it becomes deeply personal. It is the spark that ignites your soul, the driving force that propels you forward, and the fulfillment that permeates every aspect of your life. And remember, knowing your purpose isn't just about understanding the world, it's about understanding yourself. It's about embracing your most authentic self and living a life that resonates with your core values and beliefs. So, my friends, I leave you with this final thought. Embrace your journey of self discovery and personal growth. Find your purpose. Let it become your personal North Star, guiding you through life's beautiful adventure. Thank you and blessings always.